Good morning. Today we're going to go ahead and review how to plot points before we start graphing lines for this unit. So this is not actually one of our learning targets covered in the unit. It's just an extra thing that we wanted to cover before we start. So we have a coordinate plane on the left side and we have some definitions on the right side. The horizontal axis of a coordinate plane is called the x-axis. And you will see that it is labeled right here. Okay, so horizontal, think of the horizon, sunset, okay, flat land. Vertical axis of the coordinate plane is the y-axis. Okay, so again, that's labeled here for you. So your vertical axis goes up and down. The point where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect is right here. That is the ordered pair 0, 0, and it has a special name that we've talked about in the past. It's the origin. Okay, and the x and y values that describe the location of a point, it's an ordered pair. And it's always x comma y, if you want to fill it in, when you graph. Okay, so when we're doing this, think of your parentheses as an elevator door. You have to step into the elevator before you can ride the elevator up or down. Okay, so for A, we're going to plot this. This is telling me I have to take 0 steps into the elevator. So if I start at the origin, I'm not moving sideways to get into it. I'm just going to go straight up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to label it with an A. Okay, for B, I have to step backwards 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go down 1. So there's my B. For C, we're going backwards 8. And then I'm not going up or down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so C. D is 7, 2, so I'm going to walk 7 steps in, and then I'm going to go up 2 floors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 2. Gives me point D. Okay, and then 5 steps in to go 2 floors down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. E. And F, going backwards 1, and then up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and that's it. That's all you're doing to plot points. If you have any questions, make sure you let us know. Have a great day.